Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to change the homepage in your Opera web browser. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser. And then dito lang sa top left corner. And then select mo lang dito yung Opera logo. So click mo lang ito. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings or pwede mong gamitin ang keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P and then click mo lang ito. And then next step dito sa settings and then scroll down lang tayo. And then dito lang sa pinakadulo mga kaibigan, dito sa On Startup ay may tatlong options dito na pwede natin i-select. Dito yung Begin Fresh with the Start Page, Retain Tabs from Previous Sessions. And then next, ito yung Open Specific Page or Set of Page. Alright, so ang next step ay select lang natin dito. And then next, makikita mo dito yung Add a New Page. So pwede tayong mag-add ng new page dito. And then pwede mo naman i-select dito yung Use Current Page. So let's say, select natin to Add New Page. And then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung kanyang URL link or yung site URLs. For example mga kaibigan, enter natin sa google.com. And then next, click mo lang itong add. Ayan. So makikita mo dito na na-add na to isang website. Right? And then next, kung gusto mo naman itong i-remove, so click mo lang itong 3-dot icon na to na more actions. Okay, click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang to remove or click mo lang itong gusto mong i-edit ito. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-change ng homepage in Opera web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.